This tutorial will show you to create a simple text effect like this. And to analyze this text effect, it's going to go in here. Click on wireframe, simple wireframe. You would notice that the highlight, which is the white, is a vector image, and this one here, the half of the font, is actually a transparency. So if I click on that and go to transparency, you would notice it is a transparent object. Okay, now in here it's also the same with the word tutorials. So what we're going to do the graphic design first, text. So I'm just going to type in graphic design. Okay, and then I'm just going to make the font the same font that I used in there, so which is Comica Axis. If you want that font is also available in the font.com. Move that there, and this one, bring it there. Okay, now I'm just going to color this. I'm gonna make it darker blue here. Now the first thing you have to do is we're gonna do a contour going inside. Okay, so you click on the text and you go to your interactive contour tool. So once you click on contour here, in the dialog box, in the property bar here, it shows up that you have options. This one is to center. Okay. This one inside. Okay, the contour goes inside, and this one is outside. See that one goes outside. And then this is the number of steps. If I make it more steps, see, it changes. And this one is the distance. If I go more distance, you will notice that this one increases too. The distance increases. And this one is the fill. If I make that orange, see, it becomes orange. I'll just make it white for now. Okay, so I don't need 7 steps, I only want 1 step, so I'll change that to 1. And then in here I want going inside, so click going inside. Now I'm gonna zoom in here. The distance, I'm not really happy with the distance is too big, so I'm just gonna make it smaller. There, I think that's good enough. And then I'm going to, first of all, I'm going to go to arrange and break contour apart so that I can separate the contour and the font. So break contour apart, so I can edit that one now. It's gonna go undo here. Okay. So now I'll click on the white text. Okay. And then I'm going to first I'm going to copy it. Okay, you're gonna realize why I copied it later on. So I click on copy here. Okay, so now it's in the clipboard. Okay, my white font's in the clipboard. And then now I click on the white text again, plus sign in your keyboard, because I'm going to make a duplicate without an offset. So plus sign. And then I'll make, so there are 2 white texts already on top of each other. I'm going to just color it a different color aside from white. And then I'm going to, I can move it, okay, until you expose a little bit of highlight there. Let's say that one. Okay, a little bit more there. Let's say like that. Yeah, I'm just gonna move it up a bit. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'm going to click on the white text, which is this one that says white, and then hold down shift and click on the red one. And then once I select those 2, this one will show up here. This one is weld, trim, intersect. Looking at the image, because I only want the white highlight here. So I have to choose back minus front. So the back minus front. So my red is in the front, and I'm going to retain the back. So back, click on back minus front, and there you go. So it leaves the white highlight there. Okay, now this itself can be a font effect already, but let's say you want to put a a white transparency there. You remember we copied the white text in our clipboard keyboard. Now it's time to paste it. So I click on paste here, or Control V. Right now in here I have the white text. I'm going to put on a transparency. So you go to your transparency tool and then click and drag here. If you want to have a straight path going down, while you're doing this, hold down Control and Shift, and you'll have a straight line. Straight path. There. Okay. But we only need a part of the text, like half of the text. So what I'll do, I'll create a box. So I'm gonna create a box like that, and doesn't matter if you want to color it or not. I'm just gonna color it now, like that. And then here, same thing. I click on my white text with transparency, and hold down Shift and click on the box that I made. Okay, and then this one will show up again. So I need the back minus front. Okay, so minus front, I don't want the front one. So I click that, and there you go. And you can still adjust the transparency. Click on that, you go to transparency, and there. So that would be the same as the tutorials here. I'm just gonna do it quickly. So type in tutorials, and then I'm going to change the text to this one, get the same size. Okay, I'll make it red. I'll make it a darker red here. So if you want a darker red, so you click on it, and then you in here hold down Control, and then just click on this black, and it will give you a darker shade of red. Just too much. Okay, now here I go to my contour, one step, going inside, one step, and let's say I'm going to increase the distance. Okay, next thing is to go to arrange, break contour apart. Okay, so those are two separate objects now, the contour and the text, the original text. Now I click on the white text, plus sign on your keyboard, and then I'm going to color it with a different color, and then go down. You can use the arrow keys in your keyboard. Okay, and then I choose these two